Right, what I want to do in this video is show you the fastest AI agencies that we have helped scale to over 100K per month. We've been helping agencies, well, we've been helping agencies for 4 or 5 years. We've been helping AI agencies over really about the last 18 months or so. But these are the quickest ones. We've actually worked with over 500 agencies so far. But these are the quickest that we have got to over 100K per month. So what we have, first of all, we've got Alex's gym chatbots. These are doing class bookings, personal training, membership admin. Got Lauren's hotel systems. These are room reservations, hotel inquiries, etc. We've got Ryan's estate agency bots. These are lead generation, viewing, and booking. I'm going to go through all of these in depth, actually, so I'm just giving you a brief overview now. We've got Nadal's lead generation, and this is lead generation system using AI for SMEs, small to medium sized companies. Ashahi's tech knowledge bases. So let's go through. Right, we've got Alex's AI gym chatbots. Right, Alex was a gym influencer turned agency owner, and he was running a gym lead generation SMA. He had really zero prior knowledge of AI chatbots. We started generating him leads on Facebook adverts and gym influencers. Now, this is the big thing with the gym influencers. The gym influencers were not people doing fitness influencing. They were companies that fit out gyms. So they would go in, say you want a gym and you want it designed, etc., stuff like that. They have, that they will go in and they'll build it for you. And they have, about 5,000-6,000 people on their Instagram. All of those are typically gym owners. And we went out and negotiated deals with them for them to start pushing his AI chatbots up on their socials. The requirements to do this, he just had to bring in a developer from Upwork for the integrations, because gyms use, there's loads of different gym platforms that they use for their booking and stuff like that, and this had to be integrated with VoiceFlow. So he would bring them in when they need an integration done. The service was a complete gym AI chatbot. It's got class bookings, it's got PT bookings on there, and it's got membership admin, and he was charging between 1K and 5K. He's selling loads of these actually at the moment. He's also got he's also now just doing for PTs for about like $1,000 just for lead generation. But the booking, people that train you in the park, etc. It's really, he's doing very well out of it. And then got Lauren's Hotel AI systems. We've been working with her for ages because we've advised her on her marketing agency. But she's a lifelong entrepreneur from Wales. Wales is part of, if you're not from this island called Britain, which I am, it's on the west coast. So yeah, and well, she now lives in London, but we sold her how to generate leads via LinkedIn, via trade shows, and again using joint ventures. With her, we set her up, there's a hotel trade bodies. We got her deals with them so that, again, they would push her chatbots on there. And we started using AI lead generations via clay.com. The requirements that she needed to be able to actually do this, she needed a developer from Upwork for the integrations and someone to do the content, someone to go through all the content, dump it into the chatbot so that they could show pictures and stuff. The service was a complete AI hotel chatbot. We've got room bookings and admin on there. We've got customer support and we've got customer onboarding. And this is why we call it an AI system, because basically for some of the corporate bookings, they would have to go through an actual system, handing over various details, sign contracts, etc. And she built all of that out for them as well. And that was using make.com. And she was been charging between 2 and 10K to do this. I actually think she's pushed her prices up massively from this. It's been a really, really big success. The hotels have actually loved it, but and she got there very quickly. She's been doing 10K ones per month. Bang, she's there. We've got Ryan's estate agent chatbot. Now, Ryan was a recruitment consultant. He had very minimal tech knowledge, big into cold calling. So he started smashing the phones and going on LinkedIn, again, using joint ventures. He was going through, there's a estate agent, software company, and he was basically getting them to push him, refer him leads, etc. And we also got AI lead generation via Clay. Again, requirements: just a developer from Upwork for integrations and a content admin, because you got all the hotel the estate agent pitches, etc. The service was a complete AI chatbot. But this is the thing, right? He started out just doing a booking system, right, which he would sell to them for $1,000. So he sits there and he says, right, I will set you up a chatbot so that people can book in for viewings, and that's going to be $1,000. Virtually 80% of plus of whoever bought in that would then upgrade and have the whole service, which is the integration with their property portfolio, onto the chatbot. But initially, we just started off because the AI chatbots just for viewings sell really well, and you just charge $1,000 for that. The moment they get that up and running, bang, they will then move over to a bigger system. Nadal's lead generation AI systems. We've always done well with this guy. We've been working with him for ages. He's always smashes it. He's an agency owner and he has tech and sales knowledge. Basically, leads generation, he's got his current client base, LinkedIn, gain joint ventures. So for this, we were getting him integrated, like getting loads of the small companies via networking, base events, whatever, to push business his way, and AI lead generation via clay.com. And this was just, he went out, he's trained loads of staff to basically use Clay and set up lead generation systems for people. So you've got AI lead generation trained staff, and the service is lead generation and automated outreach using clay.com and aim.fox. So all it really basically does is Clay will go out, find the leads. AimFox then goes and adds them all onto LinkedIn, etc. And he's charging companies between $5,000 and $10,000 per month retainer. Ashahi's technology base. I've been telling people that this is where the money is in AI. For like pretty much, I realised this about 18 months ago, whatever. And these are creating huge technology bases for companies. Ashahi is a developer from Japan that now lives in the UK. He was over here working at a bank, and he's now gone out on his own and set this up. These are where you get the massive deals in, and I mean the massive deals. And we showed him how to generate leads on LinkedIn, trade shows, joint ventures, again using AI lead generation, clay.com. And what you then had to do was bring in loads of tech university students to do the data labeling. If you understand knowledge bases, you've got to have the knowledge base created by people that label the data. So we went and got loads of students who were doing tech degrees to do this, and we helped him build this out. Right, and the service is internal tech knowledge bases and technical support AI chatbots. Minimum, that I don't even think they're doing it for $10,000 anymore. I think the minimum they're now doing is about 20, but this is 20 to 100 grand deals doing that, and this is where the money is. I mean, if you look at where you want to aspire in AI, it's developing these huge knowledge bases, these huge tech knowledge bases, because this is where the big money is being made. Okay, and just for context, my name's David Tate. If you need any help setting this up, there should be a link or something around here. Just contact us and we can help you get your AI agency to over 100K per month. Thank you.